Hello everybody, it's me, the Gaming Pickle again, and I am back with more beautiful Piggy. Yes, the game that never stops coming up. The reason for that is, it's a really good game. And so, there's no new updates yet. But, just some casual playing, just acting normal, nothing could go wrong. Oh look, I could already get the orange key easily. Alright, so, like, do I just, like, do that? Do I, like, no? Okay. I got the white key. Does that like count? Hi Foxy, but normally you could, there's like a. Please let me out. The bot's coming. The bot's coming. Now no one can get in there. And if I get oof, the key goes back in there, and this round is impossible. Oh. I'm back with a new video, and what do you expect? Me not to ever glitch? Yeah, right. I already got the Mali. The Mali! And I now have the hammer. Sadly, there is no glitches for the key code or the wrench and the traders. We could have done it, Bobs. No, Bobs. Oh, I'm gonna pause because this is not important. You'll see it when I play on the map. So, Cookie fans it, and it's infection, but it's the mall. And want to know something good about the mall? Hey, Zizzy. Yeah, we're not friends anymore. I'm gonna leave the mall without you. Ha, gonna just leave the mall. If you know what I mean, am I right? I'm gonna like leave the mall. Yep, gonna leave. Any moment now. Oh. Please let me out. Come on. Go Pickle 122. Harness the power of glitches. Harness. I left the mall before, and I'm gonna cut until I'm. So, yeah, my friend just got out the car to get some things from the mall, but I'm still in the car waiting. Yeah. I'm a wall, leady, 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 leady. I'm a wall. What's that green thing? Where'd it go? There it is again. Where'd it go? That's something ugly. Yay, it's gone. My avatar is not ugly. If you guys don't like my avatar and want me to change, let me know, because I probably won't change. Look at this. That necklace. Look at those wings. Look at that sword. Look at those treasure chests. Look at my antlers. Just look. I'm gonna go back in the car. Vroom. Goodbye. Until there's 50 piggies at the door. Ha ha ha! They can never get me. I'm too good. Look at Frost, Piggy, and Piggy, and Piggy, and Piggy, and Piggy, and Piggy, and Piggy. Oh, there's another Piggy. Since I like Piggy, come and get me. Can't even get me. Wanna know something? I'll glitch in. Just give me a moment. Oh, no. A herd. Ah, there's another one. Run. Oh no. Oh no. They know where I am. It's time. Come on. Bum. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful potato. Or is it plum? I don't know. Is it either a purple potato or plum? What should I use? You guys can comment what skin I should use, because I have every skin, and my alt has the one strap I don't have, and it's the anniversary. But I have every other trap, so no worries. And if you know a secret skin, tell me, because I want it. I'm not the traitor. I'm just gonna stand here. Bye-bye. He left. Alright! Well, I was let the cool. This guy, he's still trying to leave. Still trying to. He's the traitor. He thinks he can leave. Why the way he's leaving? Strange enough. He realizes the others are not smart. He's just running into bricks. Secretly, if someone knows he's the traitor, he kills him. And then runs. He has a knife out. Everyone better one. Everyone. Oh look, corner. At the corner between Bob and Bob. Which one's gonna be the Jeff? Oh no, there's battery that way. There's 3 people trying to get you. And one's the same speed, one's stealthy, and the other one's just a potato. The easiest map for the pig, and a well balanced map. If you know what I mean, because It has the rooms with the vents that the player can sneak out of, and it has enough room for the pig to trap them. Why'd I die? I fell out the map because I'm Mr. P and he's not fixed. Thought Minitoon said he was fixed. If Minitoon sees this and realizes Mr. P's not fixed. This is what I'll do to him. Wanna know what I'll do to him? Bonk him on the head. With this hammer. If you know what I mean. Like bonk him on the head. He's gonna turn to Bunny. What's gonna happen to Bunny on this map? Bonk on the head. A bonk on the head, I say. Bonk! Oh, this guy messes with me. He also gets a bonk. My skits are horrible. After a good night's sleep, it's always good to get some breakfast. You know what I mean. Am I right? So, what do I want? Some pineapples, cantaloupe, bananas, potatoes, oranges, plums. Really good decision. Did somebody say plum? I did. Trying to eat me? No. Really? Yes. Alright, goodbye. I'm gonna jump out the window. Alright, back to my breakfast. Do I want a potato? Did you say potato? Yes. My best friend's a potato. No, I did not say potato. There's the door. Oh, okay. Now, back to my breakfast. But first, local exits. No way in. No way in. No way. Now, breakfast. What did I eat? You guys, I'm leaning toward a plum or a potato or a like and subscribe right now. I'm gonna be in your house and attack you whenever you try and eat a plum. He's not gonna attack you. He just wants you to hit the like and hit the subscribe button and the bell so you never miss out on any of my excellent videos. Yeah, the ones with this nerd. But thank you for once. I actually don't really like you. Yeah, get a cookie. Give me my cookie! 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 Give me my cookie. Why can't I get my cookie? My cookie! No! Now, out the window with you. It's fine. Now, final chance for breakfast. I'm gonna get a plum. Huh? A plum is me. Well, that was my horrible skit. Hopefully you guys liked it because it was class. Yeah, just having some. I could do the same thing with Piggy, with bacon. No one wants to see that. We could do the same thing with